Hey guys, we got this new generation Floral two pocket folders or the portfolio six pack letter size with a three hole punch for test and try. So let's just open this and show. It's a heavy duty glossy finish with the laminated folder. So there are a pack of six, so the six different designs. Let me just open one by one and show it to you the quality and the design itself. So my first impression is really a good heavy duty glossy color thing as you can see it here, and the good folder size. It's around I will say a letter size one. So but the thing is the quality itself is good and the printing is very nice and vibrant as you can see it here, and the feels is really good. So the glossy finish on the top. So even in the hand, I feel it really nice, like a heavy duty one. So basically a good thing. And then you can see clearly like of this colors and the shades. So totally two pocket here on the sides. And then you can also put it in a ring binder or your portfolios because they have three punches. So very nice colors and the vibrant stuff. Good printing and the good lamination and the glossy thing on the top, durable, and it's good to use like not like as a boring folders, but good designs and the colors and all colors are and print is different. So overall, very nice folders for your school and anything use.